Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind.
I just got the most exciting news ever. Well, it's not really exciting, but so my meeting is postponed for tomorrow, and I'm just so grateful because the weather is really bad, you guys. Like, it's so cold. Even today when I went and it wasn't snowing, it was so cold, and I was like really dreading having to go out in this weather, literally walking in this weather. And where the UN is, I think I've said this before, it's by the river, so it's gonna be extra cold. Like, I was genuinely just like having such bad anxiety about it. But we just got confirmation that because of the weather we can't go forward, and I'm just like thankful, because honestly we can't always put work ahead of our health and safety. So oh, at least I can just, well, I have a lot of work waiting for me regardless, but point is I don't have to go out in this bad weather. Whew. So we came outside, guys.
There's a VLOGMAS going this way.
Oh, yeah, I'm coming. That was good. Hey guys, so we made it through the snowstorm. So it's the next day. I'm working from home. My meeting got cancelled, as I said. So I'm just being very productive, let me say that. Like, I've definitely managed to catch up on work and things that I had outstanding, so I'm really stoked about that. So now I'm just taking a break. I think I've been working or sitting here at least since maybe 7. And it's now like 2-3 p.m. so I'm very glad about that. Productive day indeed. Now I'm taking a break. I have one thing left to do, but it's not super urgent, so I'm gonna do it in a little bit. But I might actually do it tomorrow. Actually, it would make more sense to do it tomorrow. But anyway, I wanted to go online because I wanted to look at like some cute like vacation clothes, like, you know, just stuff to look cute in on vacation, because we're trying to go on vacation. We haven't been on vacation in maybe 2 years. We've cancelled so many plans because of COVID, so we're hoping that this is gonna go through. But yeah, so I was just gonna see if there's anything that catches my eye online. Even though I'm looking online because I feel like I've left it to the last minute, but it's fine. So yeah, I'm thinking I'll probably do Pretty Little Thing. Always has some like cute vacation fits. I want to look at Old Polly. Guys, there's this dress on House of CB that I'm in love with, and I've been obsessed with it since the summertime, but I can't afford it, like point blank period, can't afford it. But I just like to go in there and see if it's gone on sale. Maybe next year, next season, it will be cheaper. I won't care if it's out of season though, because it's cute. But anyway, this is what I'm doing. This is the Old Polly website. I actually want to see if I can get a new costume. Not that I can swim, but I can look cute in a pool. Okay. Oh, these are doing too much though. Like, these are all too much, and they're so expensive. My God. Okay, no. Let's go into Pretty Little Thing. Let's see, swimwear and beachwear. I think this Pretty Little Thing reminds me of Mr. Price in that sometimes they just do too much as well. Like, you do not have to put on a frill, you know, like sometimes it's just like, calm down. Let's go swimsuits. Like, I am trying to do like a one piece, like that's been my thing of late. Okay, this is interesting, but not for $42. Like, I don't mind something basic like this, and there's even a sale, so it's $20, but there's a 50% code off, so it'll be $10. This is interesting. I'm not gonna get it in black. I would probably get it in a different color. Like, I'm very minimal when it comes to my swimwear. Anyway, let's see. I always like their edits, like their vacation shop. Like, it always gives me ideas, predominantly of what not to do, but hey, I think this is the vacation vibes.
It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit.
Anyway, let's quickly go on to Pinterest. I don't even know, like, yeah, I guess I would say vacation outfits. Oh yeah, let's add black girl. I always love to see the black girl magic. Oh yes, inspo all the way there. Okay guys, how popular has this dress gotten? Like, every girl has it. Definitely want to do a few maxi dresses, some cute cover-ups. Oh, this is gorgeous. It's yellow. Oh, look at this. Lovely with the hat. This is a vibe too, but girl, I don't have denim jeans that would do my body justice like that. This is actually cute. I love this yellow vibe, eh? Yes. Simply Sin. I actually follow her on Instagram. I love this two-piece. I'm gonna look on her site. Where is it from? Oh, it's stunning. I wish I would be wearing my hair out, but there's no way. She definitely does the pops of color, and they're gorgeous. Anyway guys, so I'm gonna keep searching. I'll probably only, but buying next week is so dangerous because it's Christmas next week, and my husband's watching my vlog in the background. That always makes me feel very strange. So I'm just like, I don't want to hear myself. But anyway, yeah, let me keep doing this. I do have a hat. I do have a straw hat, so I don't need to get one.
No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always.
Hey you guys, we are just back from the gym. Chef Yom is in the house,
Right.
making us some dinner. I'm also helping. We are having fried plantain, and I wonder This was, what fish is this again?
I think it was tilapia.
No, it's not tilapia.
Wasn't tilapia?
It was the American. It's like some common fish in America. I can't remember what it's called, but it's like a common fish, so we can compare it to like maybe like horse mackerel vibes.
Yeah.
Sea bass.
What's the sea bass?
Sea bass.
What's the bass?
So we're having sea bass prepped and ready to go in the oven. Just waiting for the oven to preheat. So exhausted, guys. Wow, that gym workout took your girl out. Okay, took your girl out. But today is an exciting evening. Do you know why?
Why?
Because I think we've sorted out our itinerary.
Oh. Okay.
So I'm happy about that. We just need to figure out the travel insurance now.
Yeah.
We'll do that over the weekend. And then next week is Christmas, you guys. A week from tomorrow is Christmas.
Didn't know that.
So I think that...
Snow was asking me today. I was like, wait, Christmas is next week?
Yeah.
Seriously?
I low-key... Oh, it's an ad.
Yeah.
I was like, what? Who are those people on the show? I don't know them. Hey guys, so fish is ready, plantains ready. We're about to eat, honey. Yes.
Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right, dance, dance. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, dance, dance. Come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, the chef, part chef,
Thank you.
part chef.
Thank you.
Thank you to me too.
Thank you too.
Yes. Okay guys, so I'm gonna close this vlog off now because we're about to eat, and I also have to edit this vlog so it can go up tomorrow. Hope you guys are enjoying 12 days of Christmas, and also thank you guys for all the recommendations of Namibian YouTubers that I can watch. I appreciate y'all. But yeah, see you guys in the next vlog.
Hasta la vista,
baby.
We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.